Good evening, Toastmasters.
Good evening.
The evaluator and Ratan Shetty in particular. The project calls for a dramatic talk, and dramatic talk does not mean you are going to enact something. You are not an actor. You are narrating in such a way where you can get the audience listen to you what happened somewhere else when this whole crowd was not present there. Now coming to the project, you really did very well because first of all, the storyline was very, very original. It had all the personal experiences which you experienced and it was narrated to us. And the dialogues, what happened there, were all very clear to us. Especially the kind of chaos that was going on and you landed there and then all of a sudden you landed with the role to do that role of Akbar and so on and so forth. It was very well done. If I were to dissect the way the speech had to be handled, the vocal variety did have the required requisites of volume, pitch, and the rate. It was very good. But I feel the volume was okay because it was audible to the last person sitting in the hall. But whereas the pitch was concerned, if you can look into the aspects or the objectives of it, the pitch is the most vital thing because the profoundness or the gravity of the situation can be brought along with the pitch of the speaker. A low pitch relates or brings the audience into grips that something really drastic happened. Talking about a death or a grief in the family, do not say smiling. So that if you could have incorporated, the speech would have had some more, it would have taken to the next level. Now coming to the rate of the speech. Now I found the rate was continuously the same. But whereas in a speech where you have a dramatic talk, the pitch and the rate of your speech or the words should also be racing or it should be slowed down as and when the situation you are describing. And to describe the situation, the project again calls for the imagery, that is using of words which we have done in CC4. That's why whatever we have learned in the first basic 10 speeches, all these things need to be incorporated and we need not to be forgotten. So if you could have, of course you did at certain instances that I was not portly, do I look portly, all the subtle humor was there. But had you been more vivid, people could have imagined exactly what you want to say is. Now you know, Akbar should have been wearing a purple flowing robe with a beautiful turban and a diamond brooch. We didn't have all that. But instead of that, you could have added a little humor there. Even though I was supposed to do the role, I told them I would like to do Akbar's role. But then I was a thin man, chicken-breasted, and I started gymming just right. And the gym instructor said, you don't touch all those instruments, just start with the rubber band first. So you could have infused that humor. So telling the stage what you were in, but still you want to take that big leap of taking that big role, could have made the speech more interesting. Now again, as a story what you are narrating, it has too many details. When you have too many details, you have too many characters. Too many characters make the audience confused from which character to which character you are talking about and what is the dialogue going on between whom and whom. That is also becomes a little confusing. Then again, second thing is the body language. Body language is important, but in this case, it may not be too physical. You can use more of vocal and then just do with the facial expressions what you want to say. So that could again convey what you want to say. Again, like I said, it lacked pace because of that you were trying to gather things together. And the pauses for some of them were uncalled for, which you could have again done it with the pace. Now any story with a character with the narration, unless until it has a conflict. You see any movie, the best stories or the best books will have conflict. And that conflict only makes the story interesting. And where the suspense lies, where the twist of the story lies, will take the narration to the highest or the next level. That's what you could have added and made the speech still more interesting. Otherwise, a wonderful attempt because you had really practiced, prepared, and gave a wonderful presentation. Wishing you all the best in the coming